Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth. This is the essential oil recipe box. And it was packed by Cheryl, her little stickers there. I kind of had to cut through her to open it. Sorry about that, Cheryl. But I love those stickers. They always make me laugh. So, inside there are some more stickers, and this is what you can put on your products once you've made the recipes, until you remember what they are. And then here are the recipes. So the first one is Relax and Detox Foot Bath. Now on the back of each recipe card there's normally more information. This talks about a toxic-free community. We have a meditation diffuser blend. Ooh. So my brother used to meditate a lot. I don't know if he still does, but I'm going to make this for him. All it is hoe wood and lemon essential oil. And on the back of that one, an all-new essential oils for beginner course. Huh. Interesting. So it looks like maybe it's online? Yeah, you learn a new section each week. How to use essential oils safely, how to blend them, how to use them for cleaning, wellness, skin care, beauty. That's really cool. Huh, good idea. Also have a relief massage oil. And the charity for this month, it says you're ending modern day slavery. They're working with a call to freedom to end human trafficking. Very important. Circulation Boost Body Butter. That sounds pretty interesting. And then there's a little bit more instructions on back. Refresh Spray. Note from Katie. That's always on one of the cards. And I'm noticing, I don't think they had that last time. It shows the estimated shelf life too, so you know once you made it how long it's going to last in that bottle, which is nice. And this one is a relief roll-on. And then here is the recipes that are in our box. And if you watched my last unboxing, I noted that they now put if it's cat safe, pregnancy safe, or dog safe, even kids safe. I didn't even catch that last time. So I love that they do that because yes, some essential oils cannot be safe to diffuse if you have pets. Something I never take into consideration because I don't have any pets. We have a stray cat we take care of, but she doesn't really ever come inside. So here are our essential oils. We have clary sage, lemon. I love lemon. Here is a relief, which is a blend. Let's see what it has. Rosemary, juniper berry, eucalyptus, peppermint, and I don't know how to say that. And my battery just died, but I was saying, I don't know how to say that. It's C-O-P-A-I-B-A, essential oil. Never heard of that one, but that's a blend. Then we also have hoe wood. And then we have an extra container and a spray bottle this month. And then we also received some avocado oil. So everything else that you need, you should have gotten in your big bonus box, which they send twice a year. Anything that doesn't come in there, then they put on the side here. So very cool. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I have a promo code below where you get a gift card. And if you want to see past boxes, check out my playlist because I have tons on there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.